Hi there everyone, this is Melissa with DJ Event Planner, and today we're covering the changelog topics from February 6th through February 27th, 2023. To begin, we will look at the features that have been added with this update. First, let's go to Website Tools, Payment Gateway, then Settings. We have added the ability to run a booking helper after every payment. Each gateway has its own setting, so you can run different booking helpers based on the gateway used by the client. Next, under Reports, Export Data, Event-Based, then the Filters tab. For the Events report, you could filter by assigned add-ons. A new setting was added to filter not assigned add-ons. This is helpful if you would like to take a report to possibly upsell your add-ons to your clients. Navigate to an event in your account, then go into Edit mode in the upper right corner. On the Planning tab, we have added a per event setting that controls whether the Plan My Event button is visible. For clients, under Main Menu, Clients, find a client in your account, then click on Full View. We have added the ability to scan a QR code and add the contact to your device quickly and easily using a vCard. We have added the ability to create custom pricing for days of the week on a per package basis. This setting can be found by going to Setup, Packages, View or Add a Package, Edit, and then to the Financials tab. Look for weekday-specific pricing. When you choose a day of the week, a new section will appear where you can add your default price for that day. In addition to this, we have added the ability to set the availability of packages on the Instant Quote tool depending on the day selected, found under the weekday availability. For example, this package is only available on Sundays and Tuesdays. This means this package will only be shown if the event date entered lands on a Sunday or a Tuesday when using the Instant Quote website tool. We have added a new payments report called First Payment Report, found under Financial, Payments, First Payment Report. This report displays all payments made in a specific date range that are the first payments for the event. We have added the ability to change or update the linked Request for Information form ID and the Instant Quote submission ID on an event. Navigate to an event in your account, then Edit in the upper right corner. Under the Booking tab, look for the RFI or Instant Form ID. This means if an event is not linked to an RFI or Instant Quote inbox message, it can now be linked correctly. The form ID can be found by going to your inbox messages, opening the related message, and looking for the ID number in the upper left corner. Under Setup, Application, Event List, we have added an option to include the contract due date as a field that can be displayed on your event list. Look for Due Date as the option to move to the Show These Fields option. Also, on the Event List page, click on the Event Filters option drop-down menu at the top. Under the Upcoming Events section, you will find we have added an option to filter by contract due date on the filters list. The monthly breakdown report found under Financial, Income, Monthly Breakdown now includes hyperlinks to events with the appropriate date filter applied. Click on the percentage symbol to view event-related information, or you can click on the date cell and it will take you to a filtered event list for those events. Next, click on the plus sign at the top of your screen and click Add Appointment, or go to Main Menu, Add Appointment. Then choose the To Do option. We have added the ability to set a due date for a to-do item. Any to-do items that were added before this change will have a due date of the day they were entered to the system. To change this, you can simply edit the to-do item and adjust the date. We've also added a new button on the calendar day panel to view completed or view all to-do items. The new View All page will show outstanding to-do items based on the date entered. Next, navigate to Main Menu, Clients, find a client with multiple events in your account. On the Events tab, we have added a button to see balances for all of the client's events and also a button to see all payments made from that client. Next, go to Website Tools, Payment Gateway, General tab. We have added the ability to set the first payment value only when the Hide Payment button after First Payment option is enabled. You can enforce the deposit value, deposit or higher, deposit or lower, or a percentage value of the total fee. Remember, you must ensure the Hide Payment button is enabled to see the new settings. Under Main Menu, Clients, find a client report. We have added a new tab called Website Tools Submissions on the client report page that displays linked request for information messages, instant quotes, and contact us messages. And now, on to the changes that have taken place in this time period. For the Payment Gateway under Website Tools, for security reasons, the Make a Payment page can no longer be iframed. This website tool can now only be linked to rather than framed. This prevents loading issues with card providers and PayPal, along with stopping possible cross-site script injection. For the SMS hub, we have changed the coding so all outgoing SMS messages are marked as read. This was not the case previously, as it should have been. This will prevent false inbox notifications showing when you have sent an SMS versus when you receive a new message. We have also made some UI changes to the back-end coding for the Payment Gateway for Stripe, Instant Quote package pricing, Request for Information form error messages, and optimizing page load times. And finally, here are the items that were fixed during this update, February 6th through February 27th, 2023. Please note any continued changes and improvements to our beta features. As always, you can find the latest updates to our changelog by logging into your DJ Event Planner account and clicking on the Support Options button on the left-hand menu. You can also view the changelog in full window view by clicking on View the Changelog option.